Center or at BeardsDiamonds.com.
When I adopted her, she was a mess. Scabs, itching, licking, missing fur, hot spots, a thin dog coat. So I take the dog to the vet for the standard run-of-the-mill tests and treatments. No results. I hear your advertisement on the radio. DINOVITE.com. So I get the 5-pound box of Dynamite and the Lipo Chops. Within a 4-week total, instead of a German Shepherd, I have a German Shepherd. Sheeta is a 105 lean pounds of shiny, smooth, happy dog for life because she gets fed Dynamite. And the results, they're just incredibly outstanding. And she loves it. When you rescue a dog, you have to do the right thing. You gotta feed it right. For life, do the Dynamite. Dynamite for life. How happy your dog will be.
859-428-1000.
The IRS finally caught up with Louie.
I haven't paid my taxes in 8 years.
He was in big trouble.
We're gonna take your house, furnish your pay.
Louie called Optima Tax Relief, the leading tax resolution firm.
I don't want to hurt it. We're gonna fix because of our tax.
Call Optima now for a free consultation.
Give our tax code. They can help.
Call 800-960-1575. 800-960-1575. Optima Tax Relief. For details, visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
I'm WOKV weather meter. Overnight, clear skies continue. We'll be chilling to wake up in the morning. We'll be in the upper 40s across Jacksonville. Maybe some upper 30s west of Highway 301, but not as cool as Wednesday morning. We'll be seeing on Thursday, mostly sunny through the day. Have high temperatures back into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Low 70s return by Friday. With your weather forecast and Action News Jax meteorologist Garrett Beaton for 104.5 WOKV.
Now, the Chad Benson Show on 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
Talks continue, no deal yet. Coronavirus slowly but surely eating away the healthcare system, people's pocketbooks, people's homes, lives, dreams, education. It's time to get it done. Enough is enough. You guys need to figure it out right now. Because there's too much of this.
Regions where the ICU capacity is falling below 15%. We are now mandating that we are implementing a stay-at-home order.
Not a shocker. That right there is Gavin Newsom, of course. Not just him, the governor of California, but nationwide. Governors are trying to figure out what they can do to stop this. And there's no great answer here. Not everybody's going to be happy. You want to keep stuff open because the economy needs to run. What happens? You're a pig. You're an awful human being. You just want to kill grandma and grandpa. That's all you care about in life. You close stuff. You are evil and bad, and you don't care if people become alcoholics, kill themselves, and lose everything. There's no win here. It's trying to walk the finest balance of giving people personal responsibility and at the same time having to check certain areas of the economy when it gets a bit too much. There's happy mediums. Well, we know the places that this place spreads. Do we know at this point? At this point, they're talking hospitals. It's one of the places it spreads. They're talking about homes as being a big spread. But it's a lot of young people going out to bars, going out to nightclubs. You know what? Close the bars and nightclubs.